Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants puff pastry step by step. Start by measuring all ingredients exactly and chilling your butter thoroughly. Combine flour, salt, sugar, and cold water until a rough dough forms, then rest it chilled. Keep your workspace cool and use minimal handling to protect butter layers. I'll guide you through rolling, folding, chilling cycles, and shaping so you get flaky, buttery croissants at home. Warm greeting, let's talk lamination in plain terms and stay relaxed while we work. After enclosing the butter, roll to a long rectangle and fold in thirds to complete a single turn. Chill the dough about 30 to 40 minutes between turns to firm the butter. Repeat for 3 turns total, keeping the dough about 8 millimeters thick. Be gentle and consistent so you maintain distinct layers for maximum lift. Now we shape and proof so your croissants get that beautiful rise and honeycomb interior. Roll the dough thin to 3.5 millimeters and cut triangles roughly 10 centimeters at the base for standard croissants. Brush bases with a little egg wash and roll tightly to build tension along the layers. Proof at 24 to 26 degrees Celsius until nearly doubled and jiggly, then bake until deep golden and crisp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.